to get don't let the pecs get too stale. Just have them, sit around. I definitely prefer that to just, waiting for what I would kind of describe as just an arbitrary amount of time, and then trying to jump straight back into it. Always probably a good bet to ease in nice and slow with your fucking, let's just say, your caution level raised to the max. Like, okay, how do these reps feel? Do they feel kind of, oh, that feels a little weird, maybe back off. It's stuff like that.